I'm Jake, EasyPay's Head of Portfolio Acquisition and Management. I lead the sales and business development team. We're responsible in acquiring, maintaining, and growing biller and cash-in partners to expand EasyPay's network. We have 3 core services: bills payment, cash-in services for EMI and non-EMI wallets, and electronic loading for telco and non-telco products. In terms of market reach, we are partnered with over 250,000 physical channels including convenience stores, supermarket, and other retail establishments. Additionally, we work with 94 digital partners serving as merchant collection partners, billers, or both. Lastly, our digital footprint continues to grow with approximately 1,600 EasyPay-owned self-service payment kiosks deployed nationwide. We have been partnered with ETAP for 10 years, with ETAP serving as merchant collection partners since 2015. The partnership has an opportunity for EasyPay to grow by managing our own kiosk machines, adding a phygital channel to our portfolio. We launched a pilot of 20 kiosks Q4 of 2021, and after gaining operational insight, we decided to scale up by acquiring 1,000 more, providing our own managed channel outside of our retailer mobile app. Our trust is to innovate and provide our customers more options to pay and cash in. The self-service kiosks help us expand our own managed channel outside our B2B execution by partnering with over-the-counter and digital channels. To provide EasyPay sari-sari to our partners an alternative channel for funding their EasyPay wallet. We saw the opportunity for cash-in of other portfolio partners. With this, it became strategic for EasyPay to grow its own managed kiosk.